Hey guys, Malachi here. Today we're going to do some coloring. So, let's start coloring now. All done. Man, that is a good drawing. But wait, what's it doing? Oh, what's it doing? Oh, it just came to life. Oh dear, here we go again. I am getting too obsessed. I am getting too obsessed. I never been so hypnotized ever since I was a little pup. Oh! That would be the world's worst nightmare. Wait a second, where'd the train go? It's gone! Wait. No, it's not. It's... Oh dear, we gotta go get him. We might have to take this along with us. So let's go find that train monster. Huh, where's the train monster and where could it be? Could it be upstairs? Or under the tree? Where is the machine and where could it be? Hey, where is the machine? Where is the machine? Where is the machine? So, where is that train machine?
I would say the specifics of the whereabouts of the train machine would be go up the stairs to your room under your bed in the back corner.
Alright.
That's where I think it is.
Alright, so we go upstairs to the left, under my bed in the back corners. But which corner? I don't know. Well, it's about time I would use this. Well, here's one thing. I'm never gonna color in a wet page again.